So you just generated some videos and now you're wondering, great, so how do I send them out? How do I get them in front of my customers? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do just that with Mailchimp. So let's start from the beginning. Let's go ahead and make our first videos. So let's imagine you have some customer data in a spreadsheet. Let's go ahead and simply copy and paste this into our database. Great. Now let's record our video. Hello, Nib. I just wanted to say thank you for signing up for our newsletter. My name is Don, and I'm the creator here at ClassicCars.com. I write all the blogs, and I wanted you to know that your feedback and opinion is really important to me. So I'm looking forward to speaking with you soon. All right, so our results are starting to populate. So we have our videos generated. Our next step is to download this as a CSV file. And we can do that by clicking the Download CSV button. Now, Mailchimp has a funny way of working with links, so we need to import this CSV file into an Excel spreadsheet or a Google Sheets, and then remove the HTTPS part for all the links we've generated. Let's create a new sheet and import that here. You could have just as easily opened this into Excel or any other spreadsheet program. Finally, let's select our video and thumbnail columns, and let's find and replace, find HTTPS, ://, and let's leave replace empty so we can simply delete it. Perfect. All right, great. Now let's download this as a CSV file again, and then head over to Mailchimp to import it into our audience. Go to Audience, Manage Audience, Import Contacts, and let's upload a file. Upload the file that you just downloaded from Excel or Google Sheets with the HTTPS removed from all the links. Let's check Update Any Existing Contacts. And what this will do is put the video and thumbnail link into the contacts that you already have on Mailchimp, so it doesn't just create new ones that are duplicates. And let's hit Continue to Tag. Now you can tag this if you'd like. For ease of use, I'd recommend doing so. You can just say Video Campaign 1. Continue to match. All right, so now we have to map the video and thumbnail as merge tags within Mailchimp. So as you can see, first name needs to be mapped. This is a name, so first name is what I'll choose, and I'll hit confirm. And I've already went ahead and mapped video and thumbnail, but the process is the same. Simply click it and create a new field. And then from there, type video for the video field and make sure the text data type is selected. Then click confirm. Repeat the process for thumbnail. Let's call it thumbnail, and make sure the text data type is selected. All right, great. Now let's hit Finalize Import. Complete import. Okay, great. The import was successful. So now let's hit Start a Campaign. So I'm going to call this campaign Video Demo. And what I'm going to do, this is just a good habit, is let's personalize the to field. And let's do first name, last name. This is going to help you avoid spam. Okay, now let's add in the email we're sending from, in this case, don@bhuman.ai, but I could easily make this bhumandemo@outlook.com or whatever I'd like, and hit save. Now for the subject, what I usually recommend is to write first name, just shot this video for you. So we can do that by using the Mailchimp merge tag for first name. And add some preview text. This is what is going to show up for them before they open the email. So you can write something like, and hit save. Finally, let's click Design Email. So you can make your template look however you'd like. I like to make it as simple as possible, so it looks like I literally just opened my inbox and wrote this email and put a video in that I've recorded on the spot for that single recipient. So I recommend removing all the images, all the logos, anything that's not just text and your video, of course. But let's view this email in your browser. Now let's go ahead and add in a paragraph block. And we can write something like, hi, and then merge tag first name, and then a little bit of an introduction. All right. So as you recall, we already mapped our variables into Mailchimp, but the merge tags, which is the thing we have to put into the email to personalize it, is going to have a different name by default. So to find out what this is, let's go into a text component and let's insert the merge tag for video and thumbnail so we can see how they're numbered. So we know video is merge 6, thumbnail is merge 7. Now let's go ahead and import our code block. Let's remove what's over there and paste the code that you'll find attached to this video. All right, so you can see thumbnail was merge 6. So let's replace that. And video was merge 7. So let's replace that as well. And let's hit done. Now let's just make sure that everything is working properly. So go ahead and hit preview and then enable live merge tag info. All right, so you can see that it pulled in the merge tags that we put in text. We'll remove that after, don't worry. But the actual video itself is embedded here and it links to the Vimeo link. So everything looks good for now. Now let's go ahead and remove the merge tags that we put into the text block. Perfect. And let's add a paragraph with our call to action to close the email out. Now, depending on your preferences, you can remove this footer if you'd like. That's up to you and whatever local regulations for email may apply. Now, when we're happy with our email, let's hit continue. Now, when we're happy with everything, let's go ahead and let's click send. And send now. And that's all there is to it. We're working on more integrations with platforms so that you can automatically send out videos directly from the BHuman platform. But in the meanwhile, you can follow this process to send through Mailchimp. If you have any questions or if you need help sending videos on another platform, simply shoot us a message and I'd be more than happy to help.